Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to mark a article as read on Feedly. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have just gotten started with Feedly. How do you actually go ahead and mark an article as read? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way to actually do this is that first you're going to log on to Feedly, and then here we have some articles that are being auto-populated. The next thing that you want to do is that after you finish reading an article, there's actually multiple ways that you can mark it as read. So one way to actually mark it as read is to simply actually open up the article, and Feedly will automatically mark the article as read. But another way to do it, so for example, the Senate votes to strip CFPB of ability to regulate platforms like X, you could actually click on this check mark to mark it as read as well. So those are the two main ways to actually go ahead and mark articles as read on Feedly. In addition to that, you can actually go into your settings tab on the upper left hand corner, and if you click on the mark as read option right over here, you can actually make it so that auto mark as read on scroll, full article views only, and you could also auto mark as read on keyboard shortcuts as well. You could also mark it as read button in the navigation bar, or you can mark all as read as read button as well. So you can play around with these settings as far as other ways to actually mark articles as read. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and mark an article as read on Feedly. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.